Hello, if you don't know me, I'm a day trader, and months ago I shared my goal for this year of reaching $20,000 in profits in payouts from prop firms, and also to have at least 500,000 in fundings. Now I am currently managing 6 100k accounts with my Forex Funds, and one of them is scaled up, so it's actually $630,000 in total, which of course we all know that's not actually the equity that I'm allowed to trade, because I'm only allowed 12,000 for each of those accounts and 15,000 I think with the scaled up. Anyway, in the last video we arrived to around 19,000 in payouts, so I was so close to finish my goal. Every single payout that I got is shared publicly, every time show my deal account, so there is no way I can fake it or manipulate anything. You see the money that I make in May and in June and in July, in August, everything is there, it's the same account. The money comes in and goes out. It's just, I stress it because in trading, transparency and honesty is so rare in the trading industry, which I just want to provide it. This time I'm showing you 5 of my last payouts, which came in 4 invoices, because 2 of them had the same payout date, for a total of $10,153, and that is so much money. That is actually the most money I ever got in a bunch of payouts, and that brings me on a grand total of $15,800, and that is just mind-blowing to me. I never expected to make so much. In fact, my goal was 20,000 at the end of the year, and here I am. I made 16,000 in only October, and everything together came up to $29,466 since May. But the best part about all of it is this chart right here, which just shows you how day trading allows you for a very easy scale up compared to other businesses or activities. You can see in May I got $160. That was just a bonus phase 1, but still you can see how it grows so much. And this month I made 99 times my first month, which sounds like one of those clickbait videos, but it's actually true. I made 99 times my first month, and about half of all the, more than half of all the money that I got up until now since May. That is just mind-blowing. But of course there is a trade-off. Trading allows you to scale so much, but the barrier of entry is really high. I mean, so once you understand it, it's fairly simple. Not easy, simple, because it's still kind of hard to keep your emotions and watch a chart for hours and hours every day. At least that's how I trade. But the barrier of entry is really ruthless, and market doesn't forgive, it doesn't care, it just does his own things, and if you are on the wrong side, it crushes you, and it can crush you 5 times in a row, 5 trades in a row, 10 trades in a row, doesn't care. Do I expect this kind of growth to continue? Will we see 50,000 months, 100,000 months? No, I don't know. For sure not into this year, because I capped myself at around 65,000 euros in payouts as for tax purposes, as I will explain on the next video, which will be about taxes. I'm sorry for that video, it's taking so long, but I just wanted to use the most up-to-date payouts to give you an example how much I'm going to pay. So back to the question. Well, technically, yes, we could still improve, because this is just one company, it's just my Forex fund. There are many more companies. I can open my own account. So technically I should be able to pull in a lot more money, but there are some issues. One of them I already explained you. This year it's not going to happen, because I can only make 30,000 more, which means around 15,000 in November and 50,000 in December, right? Around that. And also there is the main issue, like, can I keep making profit? That's not guaranteed. And if I make profit, will my Forex fund keep paying me? Those are the big questions, and we don't know. We will have to see. So far, my Forex fund has been delivering always. They always pay the payouts, always paid me in between their dates. Always no issues in that regard. But I've seen other companies and read their terms, and they were not so encouraging. Like, there were some terms which really made me a little bit anxious, like, why would they have that rule? Why? I even think I saw one company which said that if you fail your fund account on the first day, they ban you from their services. Like, it's not like you lose your account, they ban you from the services. Like, why? Why would you have that stuff? It's weird. they introduced the possibility of banning you, and I just don't see the point of it. Plus, there are tons of other factors, but whatever. I don't see it's like a threat. I don't know. And lastly, can I psychologically handle big payouts? Because this is a lot of money. I never got 16,000 in a month, of course. Yes, I need to pay taxes, but it's still a lot of money, and I just can't realistically think that I will get so much money in the future. So I can tell you, yes, this growth will continue because I just cannot see it right now. And also, I don't want to become delusional. I want to be grounded to the present and immediate future and just do my best and see what happens. Plus, you know what they say, happiness is reality minus expectations. So let's just see what's going to happen. So yeah, guys, next video will be 100% about taxes and how I'm going to pay them. And I think that's going to be an interesting video. And I will try to make it fairly soon. And I mean within a week. I'm not sure. Let's see. Well, that's all for this video. I will see you on to the next one.